BeenTo isn't just for travelers. Whether you are a street photographer, a foodie, or someone who just want to remember your favorite places, this app turns your live location into a beautiful interactive map. Let me show you how to use it. BeenTo is an app that lets you pin places you've been, not just countries or cities, but cafes, parks, studios, and events, and attach memories to them. Think of it as a personal map that grows with your lifestyle. Travelers, track country cities, and tourist spots you've explored. For photographers, save your favorite shooting spot for street, portrait, or landscape photography. For foodies, pin restaurant, food stalls, and cafes you love or want to visit. For events, mark concert venues, exhibitions, or festivals you've attend. For everyday life, save hidden gems in your city, from small bookstores to quiet parks. I'm a street photographer and camera collector. I use BeenTo to remember every location what I've taken memorable shots, like a street of Bohol and beaches of Siquijor, or even go to vintage camera shop. Each pin comes with the photos, notes, and memories. Keeps memories organized visually. Work for hobbyists, daily routines, and travels. Easy to use, even offline. Helps you discover places you forgot about. Fun to share your map with friends or online. If you want to start your own map, join BeenTo today. When you sign up, enter my invitation code BTRphy to get started, o capital B, capital T, capital R, and small letter P, H, Y. Sign in to BeenTo. After registration, enter BTRphy. Start spinning your life's adventures. A quick shoutout to Puncube Mech Wallet, the small wallet with a pop-up design, and Lensgo Smoke Go, my go-to fog machine for adding mood to shots. BeenTo isn't just a travel app, it's your personal life map. Download it, starting pinning, and see how your story unfolds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your BeenTo map with me. See you in the next vlog. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hans AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.